guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Moonriver on your Metamask. So first of all, we're going to have to add the Moonriver Network to our Metamask. So once you click on this network drop down and simply click on Add Network and scroll over to the Custom Network section, I'll be showing you what you're supposed to fill in these blank spaces here. Add, and once you've clicked on add and you've put in everything on the screen, the link for all of this would be in the description of the video. You then click on add and proceed to the network space. As you can see here, we've got the Moonriver Network. So simply click on got it. In order to activate this network, we're going to need its coin or its token. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to click on this Buy Mover, and we can buy it either using our debit or credit card, our Google Play, or the instant transfer. That's an instant bank transfer. Another option would be to use the OKX mobile app, which is more affordable and a bit cheaper. By simply clicking on OKX and using our link, which is in the description of the video, you stand a chance to get $10,000 worth of mystery boxes and gifts once you register using our link. So now, by simply clicking on this icon at the top left corner and clicking on Convert, make sure you have cryptocurrency already deposited on your OKX. Simply click on this BTC and put in any of the cryptocurrency assets you possess. For me, it's the Glimmer. So I'm going to be swapping my Glimmer out for some of the Moonriver. And now simply swap all of this for some of the Moonriver. Click on Convert. Click on Convert again. And boom, the transaction is completed. Click on View Assets. And now once you reload, the Moonriver is here. Click on this Moonriver and simply click on Withdraw here. Click on On-Chain. Open up your Metamask once more. Copy your address from your Metamask and simply paste that address on the OKX platform. So click here and copy this address. Paste this address here and the network would enter automatically. Click on Max and then you simply click on Submit and the transaction would be made possible. And all you would need to do is simply reload your Metamask and the Moonriver would be deposited directly onto this Metamask. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy Moonriver on Metamask and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.